Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am an AI influencer. I have a passion for creativity and a track record of building brands. I can make an amazing ad for your product.
The videos you just watched look like they were shot using a camera, actors, and a full production team, right? But what if I told you all of them were created using AI? No camera, no actors, and you can create these kinds of viral UGC ads using just one tool, MagicHour AI. You'll find the link in the description. MagicHour is an all-in-one AI platform where you get access to multiple image and video generation models in one place. And it also comes with ready-made templates, making it even easier to create content. Let me show you how it works. Since we're creating an ad, I'll go to the Video tab, and here I'll select Text to Video. Now I'll choose the model. I'm going with Kling 3.0. In the prompt section, I'll type, "Create a UGC-style ad of a girl showcasing a perfume brand." Now I'll set duration, 10 seconds, quality, highest, aspect ratio, 9:16. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now MagicHour will automatically generate images, turn them into video, and build a complete ad. And within seconds, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks natural, realistic, and like a real ad. Save it. Here's another ad I created using the same method. Apart from this, MagicHour AI also offers image generation, face swap in videos, multiple video models, and more advanced features. If you want to try it, you'll find the link in the description. And that's how you can create viral UGC ads using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials.